Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is 84th day of recording myself. I know I was like off track for like 10 to 15 days. I was not able to upload a video. I don't know why, but I was not able to record. And let me know you one thing, that they both are also like learning English. They're learning new language. I don't know what happened to him. He's just like, he's looking very sad and he's lying down on bed and he is thinking of something. He also want to do something. He is learning English and he started, I told him to like upload video every day on his channel, his own channel, so that if there is nobody to watch, he will be able to speak at least. So but he is not doing. He recorded himself and he just deleted it. I don't know why. Look at him. He is just now starting to smile by listening something. I don't know about that. And look at her. She is like just scrolling her phone. And they also started to watch Dear Sir video. And now after the 4th class, they are waiting. I don't know why, for what they are waiting. They are saying that we are practicing. I don't know what they are practicing, but they are practicing the phrasal sentences which he has provided them. So I was also not able to complete the video of Dear Sir. I already told you that I was not able to complete the whole class, but I have at least watched up to 10th class, which I have like attended the 10th class also, and after that I haven't done that and just quit on everything. I don't know, it is like I told you already that I have lack of consistency. I'm not able to consistent in anything. Like that is why I'm not able to do anything, and I'm just sitting in home and not doing anything. So I am watching some English videos every day, and I'm also thinking in English. Whenever I just my mind clicks that I need to speak in English, so I just suddenly from that time, I just minute I got to know that I'm learning or something and anything, I'm just try to think in English. Whatever I'm doing, I just keep on saying in my mind that I'm doing this, I'm doing that, I'm doing this one, and someone is going, someone is coming, what everybody is doing. I just keep on recalling them in my mind, so that I start thinking in English. And nowadays, whenever I start thinking, I'm aware of that I need to speak. I need to think in English. And for speaking, first of all, we need to think in English. And the speaking English involves two things: our external environment and our internal environment. If we are like not surrounded by the environment, which some of the members are not speaking and everything, we just need to keep on reminding ourselves that we have two kind of environment in our that is internal and external. If external, we are not able to help that, we need to like maintain our internal environment. Whatever we are watching, whatever we are listening, we need to just convert everything in English, and whatever we are thinking too. So I am trying to do that, and I think a lot in English these days. I'm thinking very much, but still, whatever I think, that doesn't happen. And whatever thing I think, everything happened opposite to that. So that's all. And you can see there is lots of pen on my bed. pen and pencils. I have made only one copy after when I have completed my 10th. This is the only copy which I have maintained, and I have only finished 100 pages of it, and other than that it is empty. So you are just hoping that you must be thinking that this is what I am studying. Yes, this is what it is. Whatever it is, it is there in my copy. So this is the only copy which I am maintaining since 3 months. And earlier I was when I have started the journey, I have written so many things, but after that when I just it's when I'm nowadays I'm thinking I am just improved so little bit. That is why I don't know what happened to my mind. I'm not writing anything and I'm just chilling around, which is not a good thing to do. So I am just doing something. I'm preparing for something so that I got selected, but I don't know, I'm very hesitant and I'm very scared of giving interviews and everything, and I haven't done any I haven't given any kind of interview before. That is why I'm so scared of it. I'm very scared and I'm very hesitant. I'm just thinking so much that if I'm able to do that, if I'm able to crack it, if I'm not able to crack it, what will happen and everything. Because I know that sitting alone in a house it is not going to work in any way. So I am just thinking that I need to do something which I'm not doing right now. I am looking for a job. I don't know from where I'm looking, but I'm just want that. I know that I am not able to find, and I don't visit anywhere to find job. I think that I will tell to someone and they are going to get they will inform me about the job and everything. But things not work like that. We just need to do something. Hello? And we are not doing that. It's just that I'm just going to remind something about the situational sentences which DSL has given me. So daily uses introductory sentences. Hey, how have you been? How are you doing? What are you up to? Answer is, I'm doing fine, thank you. Well, how about you? Thanks for your time. Hello. Okay, that's done. Can I have some coffee? Can I get a pen? Can I have your pen? Can I have a pen? Can I have some ice cream? Asking for rates or price. How much is this? What is the price? How much does it cost? How much is this? What is the price? How much does it cost? Is it expensive? Is there a discount? For offering something? Do you want some? Whenever we are in any situation and we just want to offer something to someone, so we can simply say, do you want some? Can I offer you a drink? Would you like to have some? Would you like some help? Would you like to try this? These are the sentences which we can use while offering something. And after that he has given us some situational sentences, common phrases which we can use while we are talking or everything, when we are stuck and we don't know what to say next. So for dragging the situation, we can use I don't think that he is right. I don't think you can say I don't think, and after that you can add other sentences. So between that time you will get to think what you are going to say next. So let me tell you is the another sentence. For me, this is nice, but for I don't know about other, I don't know about him. So if I ask you a question, if I ask you, and you after that you can add, if I ask you a question, so otherwise if I ask you that where he is, like you are going to ask question after using the sentence. And the other one is, I tell you what, he is not innocent. I tell you what, he is the culprit. Honestly speaking, I am very tired. Honestly speaking, he is going to the market. Honestly speaking, this is not looking nice on me. Honestly speaking, I like this dress. Could you try this for me? I won't say. The other one is, I won't say that he is right. Maybe he is, but I don't know. I won't say that he is right. Means if you want to say something, but you are not confirm about it that this situation is right or not, so you are in some like hesitation. So you can say, I won't say that this is right, but for like according to me, this is this. Whatever situation you are in, you need to describe that. After that, there is another sentence. You know what, he is talking, he is like gossiping about you. You know what, he was telling something about the other one. You know what, the rates of vegetables are increasing. So this kind, you can like add other sentences in this. And after that, there was also other kind of phrases which was given by him. I don't know where it is, but I need to find this. So I don't know what happened with the tense. This time I understood the tense very well, but now I forgot it. So I don't know, I have no idea about this, why I forgot. I know why I am forgetting. I haven't done that much of practice that it will get fitted into my mind, but I was not able to do that. Where is the another sentence? I am not able to find well. Oh, I got it now. Like if you are saying something about somebody, and between that someone other has started to talk, and when you got the chance, you will like say, like I was saying, means you was saying something before, but you didn't able to complete the sentence that time. So you can say, like I was saying, and then continue what you was trying to say that time, and that kind of a thing. So you can say that I'm not aware of that kind of a thing. I could be wrong, but like you are I was saying that I'm not confirm about the something that it is right or not. I can also say I could be wrong, but he is right, like this. And the thing is like the thing is, then after you can say no doubt. Other than that, I don't think that he is good. I don't think he is honest. I don't think that he is going to the market. He is going to somewhere else. Let me tell you, for me, if I ask you, I tell you what, honestly speaking, I won't say. So these are the phrasal sentences which we can use in our daily life, and it will just seems like you are like doing excellent. And after that, I haven't done anything, and there is so many classes happened. I have attended all the classes after that, but like models and tense, preposition, I have attended all the classes. But that's all for today's. Till then, bye bye.